Hey guys, it's Gracie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're probably wondering, Gracie, why does the quality look so bad? Well, it's because I'm filming without lighting, and that's why we have this video. I just bought the Godox, what is it called? E2, ES, I really don't know. Esports, light, whatever. This is the box. It's beautiful. And today we are going to be setting it up, reviewing it. I just bought it and I was like, immediately wanting to set it up, but I was like, let's make a video out of this. But the box I already did, it shows me everything that it comes with on here. So if you can't read it because I'm unstable, it is the light body, the mounting rod, a detachable panel, which is like a remote, and then a power cable, adapter, and the instruction manual, which I will not be using because who uses the manual? So yeah. I don't know why I did that, like trying to be like slick, like ooh, slick. I'm gonna take this party to my kitchen because there's more room to show you guys me setting it up. And then we're gonna try to set it up, and then if it works, this will have good lighting and it'll look beautiful. So yeah, let's get started. This is the attachment. I'm doing this in my kitchen because there's more room to film. So this is like the stand for it. And then all you do is like adjust this like how it would basically need to. So I'm gonna do this on my desk. So it's basically good for like small spaces. So then what you do is you're here and then you literally just tighten it. And you want to make sure it's stable because the item's obviously not small. I'm shaking this and it does not move. And then I just screw it on till it's tight. And this thing is not moving. Like, it feels secure. I want this right here. Makes it so it's not going to fall back. And this is the remote again that is attached to the back of it. Sorry, the lighting's bad. My lighting is right here. So the lighting will be good after we figure this out. And then this is the power cord for it. I need to just undo all of this. Oh my gosh, it keeps sticking back. I had to adjust my camera or it's gonna drive me nuts. And I've already tangled my cords. So we're gonna put it right here. Boom. Guess where this goes, guys? It goes into the wall. Bet you didn't know that. Bam. It's in the wall. Ooh, the outlet's kind of loose. There's a power switch here, but I think I have to turn on the remote too. Maybe. The remote's not turning on. Oh, is the remote dead? The remote, I know you have to charge type C. So I'm assuming the reason it didn't turn on is because I don't think that this this remote thing's charged. So we're gonna, this is literally my type C phone charger. We're gonna plug this in to the wall, and then we're getting a little charging symbol on that, so that's a good sign. We'll just let this charge for a little bit. Okay, update, it's been like 15 minutes and it looks like there was like a singular like battery percentage thing, so, oh, wait, it actually worked. I just pressed after charging it for a little bit and it's giving me all these fancy numbers that I don't understand, but love. So now what, do I just like undim it? Okay, nothing's turning on, hold up, please work. How do I do this? Wait, I'm so confused. This is too high tech for me, I told you guys. She said, oh wait, it's not plugged in. Hold up. Now maybe I undim it. Whoa, okay, it works. Okay, that's so good. But now it's too bright to like show you guys. So anyway, if you can see to the left, I'm undimming it, I think. Darker, okay, 0%. Okay, this is like 20%. So this is like not as bright. And then it basically just goes up from there. And then this right here is like temperature, so this is like cooler. Let's go warm. Oh, wow, it did turn warm. Okay, so love. This is like actually really easy to use. I don't know what it should be at. Let's just go to like 34% dimness. Okay, wait, I'm gonna turn this remote off. And I'm gonna take this party to my room now that I showed you guys me setting it up. I'm gonna set it up like on my own, and then we'll go back and see what it looks like. Hey guys, it's Gracie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, and now we are back after I have it set up. Right now I have it at 19%, so this is like very dim compared to what it can be. And then temperature-wise, 4600 K, whatever that means, guys. This is very high tech for me. So you can kind of see what I'm saying because I don't know what that K stands for. That's embarrassing. But it's fine. This looks beautiful. 19% is good. Because I feel like, well, let's just put it at 100 and I'll show you how bright it gets. I'm just scrolling. 46, 893, and now we're at 100. And it hurts to look at. But I think my eyes would adjust. Honestly, it doesn't even look that different, I feel like. So, like, we don't need it that high. So we'll go back down. And then temperature-wise, Obviously, let's go all the way to the warmest it goes. It looks like this. Literally yellow. And then we'll go like medium, and then let's go all the way to the coolest, which kind of feels brighter. And we are almost there. We're almost there. 6,500K, which looks like this. So yeah, there's a lot of room to play around, but I think that happy medium was at like 23, whatever. Even this looks good. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, that is my review. I think this product is great. I think it was easy to set up if you understand the fact that things need to be plugged in, because I didn't have it plugged in. But other than that, it was really easy to set up, and I'm so excited to use this. I will be using this for content here in my room, but also I'm going to be using it to stream on Twitch. So like if I'm playing video games at night, I have decent lighting. So definitely follow my Twitch. It's Thegraciefarmer. I'll link it below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had fun getting this product and setting it up, so I hope you guys had fun watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!